children, today we are going to see Python revision 2.2, that is chapter 2 and type C question number 11 we are going to see. In this they asked you to write the program for sorting the keys. Okay, and one more thing, the sorted key in a list, it should be inside the list. And what is meant by bubble sort is, we have to pick one value and we have to compare it with each and every value. Okay, the thing is, we have to take a one value in a rotational basis and we have to compare that value in a other elements, compare that element with the other element. Okay, let us see the input and expected output. Input is, we are going to give one dictionary. In the dictionary it has to sort the keys. So output will be, here we are having the keys 4, 1, 5. So expected output is 1, 4, 5. Sorted key should be our expected output. Okay. So from the expected output you can see that you have to create a one list. Okay. First let us create one dictionary. A is equal to (4:h, 1, G, 5:C. Okay, we have created one dictionary. Then what they ask you to do, they have to ask us to do a sorted list only they asked us to do. So what we are going to do, we are collecting the keys and making it as a one list. So key is equal to, just I am giving assigning, key is equal to, what I have to do, we have to collect the keys. So for that, what is a method? We have list. Inside the list only we are going to put a dot keys. A dot keys is a function, is a method. It will collect all the keys and we are putting inside the list and we are assigning it to key. Okay. So after doing all these things, what we should do, we should now do the comparison. We have collected the keys now. Then what we have to do, we have to do the comparison, which is greater, like that we have to do the comparison. So for doing the comparison, what is the condition we have to do? If condition I am using. By means of if condition, I am taking a one key. Okay, let us J. Okay, and I am comparing that key with the another adjacent element. Okay, so J plus 1. This I am comparing. Okay, if it is greater, if it is true, that is key of J is greater than key of J plus 1. If it is true, what it has to do, it has to swap. Okay, key of J, key of J plus 1 equal to, here swapping is easy, we have already seen that, key of J plus 1, key of J. So we have done swap, we swapped the values here. Then what it has to do, it has to print key. Okay, so this is, it has to do it for all the keys it has to do. Okay, so for that we should do the repeated process, means we should give in a for loop for I in range of, what is the range it has to do? Length of the key. Okay, len of, that is length of key. So for example, in our dictionary we have 3 keys, so 3 times it has to do the comparison. Okay, so here I have already told you, bubble sort means you are picking a one value and we are comparing that with the other values, remaining values we are comparing. Okay, here it is for picking all the keys. This for loop is for picking all the keys. Okay, then one more for loop is for comparing that, taking a single key and comparing with other two values, right? For that you have to use a one more loop in range of, so this will be lesser than the key length. Okay, because we have taken a So here for example, I have taken a 1 here, that is in our key first we have 1 here. 1 is the element I have taken. Now what I should do, that 1 I should compare it with 4 and 5. Okay, so that for comparing with other elements 4 and 5, I am using this for loop. And how many times it has to compare? 2 times it has to compare. So key minus 1, range is key minus 1, it has to minus 1 times it has to compare. Okay, now indentation is important, so everything I am making it clear. That's why we have used 2 for loops here. Okay, this loop is for picking a 1. Okay, this for loop is for picking comparing that 1 with other 2 values. Next it will take the next value 4 here, that 4 is compared with 1 and 5, like that. So that's why we have used 2 loops, for loops. Let us execute now. So here you can see our expected, we got our expected output 1, 4, 5. Keys are arranged. Okay, thank you children. We will meet in the next video. If you have any doubts, you write in the comments. Thank you.